Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect your phone to Hisense TV. So in order to connect your phone to your Hisense, make sure to turn on your device first. So make sure that they're also connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order to make this happen. Now, I haven't heard this article that can actually help us with this case. So you can just head over and then download the Casa Hisense TV on Android. You can scan this QR or you can also get it on Google Play. This is what it looks like. So it's actually developed by Airbeam TV BV. Click onto this install right here, and then after that, you should be able to cast on your Hisense. So in order to operate it, we have different options. As you can see, it's available for Android phone as well as tablet. You can watch your photos, videos, favorite apps, and more using this case. And you can enjoy wireless connection as well. You can mirror your screen, stream movies and series with no hardware and cables. Just make sure that you're actually connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order to make this possible. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.